everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, we're going to show you how you can easily activate your JCPenney Mastercard online. So if you want to learn how, keep watching the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your preferred web browser to get started. Soon after you open up a web browser, go to the search box at the top and type in JCPenney Mastercard Activate and press enter. You'll find yourself in this search result. On the next page, click on the link that says JCPenney Mastercard Activate Your New Card, which should be available right on the top of the search results. Once you give a click on that, it'll take you to the Mastercard activation page. Now, make sure that you have your card information that you'd like to activate. In the first text box, enter your card number that should be available right in front of your Mastercard. Go ahead and type it in the first text box. After you do that, go to the next field and type in the 3-digit security code, which should be available at the back of your Mastercard or credit card. Once you type in the information, go to the next field and type in the last 4 digits of your social security number. Finally, click on Activate My Card in order to activate your JCPenney Mastercard online with a few simple steps. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.